Right, so today we're in Ince-in-Makerfield. This was Tracy's pick today. I'm going to start at this lock. Sun's just come up. Got to start the day off with an iron brew. Magnet's still all dirty from Northland's magnet fishing and Outcast radio, rusty and peaky dippers. So this is first truck of the day. Evolution magnet from onlinemagnets.com. Discount code is magnetic10. That's all in capitals, magnetic, and then the number's 10. Get 10% off your whole bill. So I got all my stuff here. It's got a big thick threaded bar, bit of can. Something on this one. It's heavy. Looks like somebody's washing line. About time to ring me. Yeah. Oh God. Getting cramp in my arm. Ah. What?
Oh, holy hell.
Let's let it drain off a little.
Aye.
Whew. Whew. Thank you.
Wow.
Ah, that's never coming off there now.
The way to that side. Oh, it's not too bad, is it?
Yeah, it's alright.
You froze here till.
Well, that's the 16.
Yeah,
Did you do an 80?
yeah.
You'll have to get an 18.
I'd never be able to handle the, it's called the Evolution Extreme, that one.
Oh, extreme.
Yeah. Be too much for me, that.
Yeah.
I had to go on Nigel's and got it stuck to some metal wall, didn't I? And
Yeah.
you were peeing yourself laughing. You've really got to watch where you put your rope when you're doing anywhere near the the locks on the canal side, really. So if your foot's behind that, you're going in. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. That is heavy. put my rope over there so you can stop it from going all the way. Stop myself having to walk around all the way around. So my rope's all the way over there, got it going across and down here. I'm not having it round my feet, making sure it's well out the way. Ooh, using the evolution on a lock. Wow, tiring that. Something heavy in the middle. P there, so what's 12p now? That and a bit of threaded bar, some cans, tin cans. There's all little pieces. Here's all the big and heavy ones. Funny shape, this one. It's extremely heavy. Funky shape there, but I know it's just rust. So. Up to 22p now. AJ Magnet Fishing's here now. We've got a Mr. Paul Houlihan now. Ugh. Pulled out this square shaped rebar. What on earth? So we've got a bunch of branches and a trainer that's just come off. So, got the square shape at the end. And a circle at the end. Not sure what that is. Maybe it's an old No, it can't be a lock key because then you'd have to like twist it round like in that direction. That wouldn't work. Right, so this is to open fire hydrants. We've got the circle at the end. Just giving it a bash on the wall, unlock. And then that is a T key. It's a bit of firefighting equipment, that. So with my links to the fire service, I'll be keeping that. Very impressed. Just helping Ashley retrieve his magnet. He's got it stuck to a beam on the lock. So it's not coming from that direction, so I'm going to pull it from the opposite direction, which is what some of the lads at Northants event over last weekend did for me. Luckily I had 50 metres of rope. Got it. You've got 2p as well, bud. Right, I'll lob it over there on grass. That's all right. So we've got a scaff clamp, kind of carling. Load of shrapnel as well. Yeah? Oh, that's awesome. Love it. That's worth restoring, that.
Eh?
Worth restoring, that.
It is, it's solid, that still.
That is awesome. Go check out AJ_magnet fishing. He's just had something really cool. Yeah. What is this? CD player. It's complete with CD. Yeah, complete with CD. Let's have a look. Looks like someone's lost a lock or a carabiner there. What kind of CD player that is? Look at that. Got a pattern around the edge. It's old school. Let's see what they were listening to, eh? Just got colours on it. Do you know what I think it is? I think it's a projection, colour projection thing. Look. Got all these colours. It goes round. It's not a CD player.
No?
It's a colour projection wheel. So wherever this was, it must have projected onto the ceiling or something. That disc has just got colours on it. Yeah? That's a first. So that's going with the general waste, that one.